helping you figure out acid reflux with these simple tips. Acid reflux can help make sure that you never feel comfortable no matter your surroundings. You don't want to suffer through this day after day. Instead, you want a life that is free of this harmful and painful condition. Keep watching to find out how you can do this for yourself with some simple tips and tricks. Acid reflux can be a normal reaction of eating too much or too quickly. If you've been experiencing the effects of acid reflux lately, change your eating habits. Improve the content of your meals by adding healthier choices and take the time to chew your food well. Your digestive tract will appreciate it, and you should not suffer with acid reflux so much. Those who are overweight have a higher chance of getting acid reflux than others. This is due to stomach pressure. The excess weight of an overweight person adds more pressure to the stomach, relaxing the muscles of the lower sphincter of the esophagus, creating acid reflux. Fat in the body can also interrupt normal digestion. A little weight loss can go a long way in preventing acid reflux. Always keep gravity in mind. Remember that acid is being held down, so when you position your body in a way where down isn't towards your feet, problems will ensue. Keep your head up and your stomach uncompressed, then you should be able to find relief from acid reflux all day long. When your symptoms are at their worst, mix 1 teaspoon of regular baking soda with 8 ounces of water. Drink this slowly, 1 sip at a time, until your symptoms subside. Do not do this every day, as baking soda contains a great deal of sodium, which can lead to a myriad of other health problems. Some foods tend to trigger the effects of acid reflux. Alcohol, chocolate, caffeine and fried foods are a few of the different items that can cause acid reflux. Other big contributors include acidic foods, including citrus fruits and tomatoes. Triggers are different for everyone, and therefore you may require trial and error before knowing what causes your pain. Avoid all of this, and your chances of suffering from acid reflux decline tenfold. Take the advice that has been given to you here, and work towards eliminating acid reflux from your life. It's not going to happen instantly, but you can be assured that the strategies here will help you. Do not subject yourself to that daily discomfort any longer, and make sure that you follow the advice that has been given to you. I cured my acid reflux. A lifelong sufferer discovers a powerful secret to heartburn freedom. To learn how I did it, visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to eliminate heartburn pain within 2 days? Doctors and drug companies hate this. Visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to learn about the only, clinically proven, step-by-step, acid reflux system? Visit heartburnhacks.com to learn this, and so much more. Link in the description.